Hello, I'd like to show you my latest project here. I've built a CNC router out of parts mostly I bought off Amazon. So let me turn the camera around to give you a quick tour. Alright, well, a lot of the structure is this aluminum extrusion that you can buy online. This is a 60-30 extrusion. It comes with clamps and all that. The next thing obviously is the ball screws here. Again with Amazon. 3/8 plate. Actually, I had to get that from eBay. It was mostly cut on my bandsaw and drilled out with my drill press. On the back end there, those are some stepper motors back there. I've got a TEFC motor here that I've just kind of put on a collet. That collet will hold up to 1/2-inch bits. I kind of built a rail here. Another extrusion along here with some ball rails. Again with another stepper on the end. So that's basically the structure of that. Now for the control, basically in here, I'm using what they call the TinyG board. And I basically got an old computer case out of the dumpster at the dump. Got a power supply. Everything's running here 230 volt, so I got a different power supply. My switch is obviously set on 230 volt. But this is the TinyG board. This is kind of the key to it. They say you need a fan blowing underneath it, so I kind of blocked it up with wood. Not that I want wood inside of a case like that, but I blocked it up with wood. So I've got my connections for my steppers up here, and down below, these are all for the limit switches, so I don't go too far, or if I do, I'd have a crash. And then just the other last thing, the last little bit of it, is the software. I'm running CNCjs, which is kind of a nice software. It's all freeware. That's for running the machine. And then for making my CAD parts, I'm using FreeCAD, which also has a CAM software there. Here's another test part I made. And I should be able to, and I haven't tested this yet. If I just hit go, no, I can't do that. Hold on. Okay, well, I got everything turned on. What I'm going to do is just show you getting into position, then I'll show you a test piece that I cut earlier. So basically I just hit play, and it's going to kind of come down. Like I said, it's going to go to position of this other piece, and because of the noise, I'm just going to go to a sample piece I cut earlier, but it's kind of going to jog over and start cutting this piece. But we're going to show you the scene of a piece I cut earlier.